So here in front of me, I've got a very cool set from Timemicro. Fresh out of the factory from Initial D, and we see a Toyota here in the back and a Mazda RX7 here in the front. 1/64 scale. Let's have a look at the box first. So here we see the Initial D logo. Nice background. Here we see the name of the brand, Timemicro, and Timemicro is also more art. What is the other brand? I recently did a review about it. Well, maybe it will pop up in my head later in this video. Okay, so here we got the back of the box. And do we have something here? Yes, we have some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Barcode and article number. Okay, let's open up the box. So we can see it comes in a very nice display case. Very good for protection. Oh, and I see something else. What is also very interesting. It's a limited edition, almost 1,000 pieces, and I have 905. Yeah, it would be cool if it was 1 or 3 or maybe 10, but I have 905. What a awesome looking Mazda RX-7, by the way. Holy smoke. And it got a license plate. What shall I do? Let's take them from the base. Very nice base, by the way. Piece of road. I like that. Let's start with this beautiful Mazda right here. A little bit more, a little bit more. There we go. Some more light. I'm going to look at the base. And yes, just like many other models from Timemicro, this is a metal base with some details. Here in the back, it is some plastic. Okay looking profile on the rubber tires. I've never seen this profile before, to be honest. And also good rolling wheels. Also in the front. Nah. Well, they are rolling, but not as good. We do see a brake disc and a brake claw. That stays in position when you're rolling the wheel. That is very realistic. Same for the back. We're going to have a look at the interior in a minute or so. Yes, just like I said, a license plate. I like that. Silver exhaust tip and lanced rear lights from left all the way to the right. Nice spoiler, by the way. Be careful because it's made out of plastic. You can break it easily. Some silver sticker here on the, let's do it like this, on the side mirror. Yes, we got side mirrors on both sides, and look at this hood with those air intakes, lanced front lights, and also these here are lanced. Big intercooler in the front. This car is screaming power. Now let's have a look inside, because I think the interior is very important. And I need a little bit more light. Okay, we see a poke for shifting gear. We see bucket seats. Oh, do this right. Yeah, there we go. And we see on the dashboard in the middle, we see some sort of display. And let's have a look here on this side. Lots of details on the dashboard, not colored ones, and a good steering wheel. Now I'm going to have a look with the other light. I know it's not as bright as... No. It's difficult to see the steering wheel. Let's do it one more time with this bright light right here. Then we can see the steering wheel a little bit better. It looks like it's bent downwards a little bit. It should be more on top. So I think something went wrong there. But overall, it's a very good looking car. Okay, let's put this one right here. Yeah, and you see the wheels in front are not moving when you do this. So if you think it's important that a car has rolling wheels, and I totally understand that, meh, this is not your type of diecast car. Okay, we're going to the Toyota AE86 Trio, if I'm right. I'm not 100% sure. Here, yes, it feels... No, this is plastic. Yeah, this is plastic. Let's do it like this. Whoop. This is a plastic base. Yeah, it feels plastic, but with a nice silver exhaust underneath it. Good rolling wheels in the front. Good rolling wheels in the back. We don't see any brake claw in front and in the back. But we do have a license plate. I like that. That makes a car realistic, a diecast car. Toyota in the middle, APEX. And then the name of the car, I think. Twin, something. Trueno. And we got the lanced rear lights. No heating in the back window. That isn't necessary for me, but I think it's always cool when a diecast car has that. Yeah, again, right-hand steering. And we have open lights here in the front and also a license plate. And I think it's an authentic initial D license plate. Now, don't ask me anything about that TV show, because I'm a complete nope, but I love the cars. I love the dioramas. Okay, let's have a look at the interior. Very good interior here. The steering wheel is much better than the Mazda. Good bucket sport seats. Very cool looking car. Yeah, glad I've got these in the collection. I already got this one in the collection, to be honest. It came with the More Art Tofu Shop diorama, the first one that Timemicro made. But it didn't have this one, so it looks pretty good, except for the really weird... Not a weird steering wheel, but the position of the steering wheel is a little bit weird. Here also no heating. But like I say, there's always room for improvement. Okay, let me know what is your favorite car. Maybe none of them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.